दुनिया से सबसे नायाब, बिल्कुल मंदिर की तरह. At the moment you enter, you feel that we are here to serve people. कभी कभी होता है कि आप जाते हैं कहीं पे, आपको बहुत कॉर्पोरेट फीलिंग आती है, तो आपको लगता है कि आई एम हियर, दे डोंट केयर अबाउट मी, इनको मेरा पैसा चाहिए, राइट? बहुत बार होता है, हम जाते हैं. द मोमेंट आई स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स, आई फेल्ट अ डिफरेंट एनर्जी. मैंने अभी इनसे पैक करवाए अपने रेस्टोरेंट के लिए दिए, क्योंकि मुझे लग भी रहा था कि इससे भी पाक जगह है जहाँ से मैं दिए ले सकता हूँ टू सेलिब्रेट दिवाली इन न्यूयॉर्क दिस ईयर. अमृतसर में मेरी पैदाइश हुई. 29 ईयर्स तक मैं अमृतसर में ही था, वहीं पे खाना बनाता था, केटरिंग करता था. 29 साल में मेरा थोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ गवर्नमेंट के साथ, तो फिर मैं इंडिया छोड़ के भाग गया.
With proving his global presence in over 60 countries. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all ready?
Ready.
Let's have a countdown. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the new product launch, Burger, in association with Agromec, Vikas Khanna, the brand ambassador of Burger. Agromec Industry.
हैदराबाद में आए हैं एग्रोमैक में. मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड एज यू कंपेयर टू द सोल ऑफ अ स्टोर, with everything from which can make your home better, your life better, and I feel that visiting this store is totally life changing. And people who even don't want to buy something, they should come and see how they've organized this. I think it's a master class of doing business with so much integrity.
So how is the feeling while coming to Hyderabad? What thought comes to your mind?
I think Hyderabad coming here, for me, it's of course, food. And I also think that one thing which is so understated about Hyderabad is the vegetarian cuisine here. And first thing we did was we went to, I'm missing on the name, Nilofar. First thing we went to Nilofar in the morning. And I feel that for me it's like seeing a homegrown brand like that, to be a part of that. For me this is very important. America cooking style different है. In America people don't have, like there are so many different cooking styles in US. It's very difficult to pinpoint. Majority of the people don't even use kitchens in the US. They eat out most of the times. So that is the first basic difference. You'll go to some people's houses and the houses are so beautiful and big, but they've never used the kitchen. Because it's not a part of the culture. People really don't cook there. But in India, cooking is important because for us, cooking is not just about food. It's about expressing love. Simple food, but though in my restaurants we serve like Indian food in a very presentable, modern, like 21st century looking dishes. But my hardcore remains to very rustic Indian food. Of course, this is my 9th trip. I was in school when I came here first time. बिरयानी खाने आए थे तब हम लोग. And I figured out it's not just biryani, there's so much more here. So because I don't live in India, I just come because my mom is here. And then of course I do my research, everything, all the books are written, mostly books are written in India. And most importantly, MasterChef. So for me, coming to MasterChef is like, there's 2 months of total battery charging my brain and also finding new inspirations from India. Because this is not the same India which I left. India has grown like million times more. And every time I come, I see the progress in a different way. And for me, that's the happiest moment.